Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Very quick video this week. It's how to make cheap clay lube. Now, I had this video in mind for a little while, but I didn't think it was actually necessary until I've seen a fair few Facebook posts recently about clay lube and what people are using. Now, I know there are certain clays out there that only use water, the AM Details clay for instance, but a lot of these clays do require more than water, some sort of lubrication. And a lot of companies out there are selling their own clay lube, and it's not really that cheap. I mean, items I've been looking at are around about £8 for 500ml, but you really don't need to go out and spend that. All you need is a little bit of quick detailer and water. That is all you need. Now, I know people have been saying, and the reason I'm doing this video is I've seen a lot of people saying, oh, use a little bit of shampoo and water. The shampoo can ruin the clay. Now, not all shampoos do that, that's a disclaimer, but a lot of shampoos do make the clay go crumbly, a little bit brittle, and you won't be able to use it again. And clay, these days, automotive clay, isn't exactly cheap. So, what are we going to need? Well, I'm using the Signature Group Super Slick Quick Detailer, and this is all I'm going to use. So this is 50 millilitres. We're going to use it at 8:1. So you're going to also need an empty bottle with a spray head, and you're going to need 400 mils of water. So that's 400 mils of water, 50 mils of QD, so that makes 450 mils of clay lube. Now if you want 900 mils, close to a litre, you're going to need 100 mil of this, and best part of 800 mil of water. So it literally is a case of mixing the two together. So we're just going to pour them both into the bottle. Now these measurements don't have to be precise, as long as you're in the ballpark. So that's got me roughly half a litre of clay lube. And that is ready to go. So all we would do then, I'm not going to teach you how to suck eggs, but you would literally douse the panel with the clay lube, douse your hands, douse the clay, obviously the more lube the better, and away you go. So guys, cheap clay lube. If video is of interest, or you have any other recommendations or tips for making quick clay lube, drop them in the comments below. But as always, thank you for watching. See you on the next video.